Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be swatching the Candy Button palette, the Biddy and Colourpop palette. It kind of goes by different names, but yeah, I'm going to be swatching this palette today. So if you want to see swatches, keep watching, and stick till the end if you want to hear my thoughts on the swatches. Okay, so first off, it does come with a nice mirror. It is made out of cardboard, which is always great. It does come with two glitters. My pop shadow came broken, RIP. And yeah, it's a very beautiful palette. Okay, so now that you've seen the swatches of this palette, I just kind of want to talk about it. I think that this is overall kind of a boring palette. Like, yes, it does have those glitters, but like, I don't know, the rest of it is just kind of boring to me. It does come with like a Super Shock shadow, which I'm not overly fond of the Super Shock formula when it's in these palettes. It's just kind of frustrating to build up the pigment. They all swatched beautifully. There was no problem with any of the swatches. I'm not really inspired by this palette. But it is beautiful. Those glitters are beautiful, but there's just not a palette for me. What do you guys think about it? Thank you for watching. Comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hello. What are you doing? I'm in the middle of swatching. What are you doing? Brat.